Alright people, so today is July 9th and right now I'm planting potatoes. We have red potatoes, we have russet potatoes, and we have Yukon Gold potatoes. And we're putting these things directly in the ground. They've already started to germinate. The eyes have grown out of the potatoes, and I just put them in my pantry for I think it may have been a couple of weeks, and now they're ready to go. And over here I have a few sweet potatoes. I'm going to do about 4 of these sweet potatoes directly in the ground, and I have about 5 or 6 sweet potatoes inside of water that's water propagating. Alright, so just wanted to show you guys what I'm currently doing on today.